Welcome to your Master Spa's hot tub. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to install the activation kit for the Master Clear salt system, turning your spa into a saltwater experience that's easier to maintain and even more relaxing. Before we dive in, ensure all power to your spa is turned off. Now, open your activation kit and take a moment to familiarize yourself with the components. Think of it as unboxing the key to your personal oasis. In addition, you will also need a basic set of tools to complete this process. For optimal results, we recommend draining and cleaning your spa before installation, especially if it's been a while since your last water change. Fresh water ensures everything runs smoothly and reduces the chances of water sneaking into places it shouldn't. Let's access the internal components. Remove the front cabinet panel of your spa. If your filter area is on the side of your spa, then remove that panel as well. With the panels removed, open the filter area lid. You'll see two connection points, one at the bottom and one on the back wall. Next, remove the protective cap and gasket from the back wall connector. Take the smart cell from the kit, insert the bottom into the fitting, and give it a quarter turn to lock it in place. Align the smart cell's connector with the exposed fitting, press firmly but don't force it, and slide the outer cap over the connection, giving it a quarter turn to secure it as well. Behind the filter area, locate the black cord with a silver collar labeled C. On some models, it will be attached to the frame of the spa, and on others it will be taped to the foil. Connect this to the C-labeled connector on the extension cable from the kit. Ensure tabs are aligned, press firmly, and tighten the silver collars together. Next, route the B end of the extension cable through the frame to the space underneath the spa pack. Locate the mounting bracket near the spa pack. The bracket is made from wood on some models and plastic on some others. If it's not pre-installed, use the provided screws to attach it. Place the controller into the bracket and secure it with the screws through the holes. Now, connect the B end of the extension cable to the B wire from the controller. Then, connect the A wire from the controller to the A power cord from the kit. Ensure all tabs are aligned, press firmly, and tighten the silver collars. Open the spa pack by loosening the two screws on the left side and removing the lid. Locate the AC power port. It will be one of the white connectors with 4 pins. If another component is plugged into it, then install the 3-way splitter included with the activation kit. Remove one of the wire grips on the right side of the pack and route the power cable through it. Then put the wire grip back into place. You can then insert the 4-pin white plug from the power cord into an open connection, aligning the tabs and pressing firmly. We need to disconnect power to the ozone system since it's no longer needed. Locate the power connection for the ozone system, disconnect the 4-pin white power plug by pressing the tabs and pulling towards you. Close the spa pack lid, ensuring it's properly seated, and secure the screws. Secure any excess cable length from the spa frame, keeping them on the inside to avoid interference, and then reinstall all cabinet panels. Fantastic job! You've successfully installed the Master Clear Salt System Activation Kit. You're now ready to enjoy a spa experience with less maintenance and more relaxation. For guidance on filling your spa, setting up the app, and preparing the water, check out our Water Quick Start instruction video. Relax! It's Master Spas.